welcome to today's video. Today I have this makeup look. Stop it. The sun keeps getting brighter. Today I have this makeup look here and I just wanted to chit chat just a little bit if you guys are interested. And yeah, one thing I do want to mention, if you guys have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would appreciate it so much. It is completely free. All you do is hit a button, just let you guys know every time that I am uploading and let you guys just stay connected. So if you guys want to, you guys can more than welcome hit the subscribe button and let's get into the video. Yeah, I wanted to talk to you guys just a little bit about some things. We are going to be moving soon and stuff with school and things like that, so I thought I'd talk to you guys a little bit while I did my makeup, and I hope you guys like it. So to start off the look, I'm going to use, oh Jesus, the thing I'm using is from Soap and Glory. It's just called One Heck of a Blot. What this does is really just help absorb oil, so I usually put it only in those spots that I get oily. So I use just a little bit and I just put it on my forehead because I get really oily on my forehead. Makeup Revolution foundation in F11, and it is a stick foundation. I'm just going to put a couple swipes just like so. To that I usually go ahead and put on some type of spray. This one is just Milani Make It Last setting spray. Those of you who are oily, I do suggest using like a setting spray that like helps de-oil. Is that a word? That helps absorb oil when you mix it in with your foundation. This one is more of like a kind of a moisturizing, I would say. So I just like to put this in with my foundation to make it more of a like hydrating foundation. If you want something to be matte or absorb a lot of oil and you're just trying to not look greasy, I would suggest using like a oil absorbing spray. Before I spray my face, I go ahead and just use this brush. It's from Morphe. It is the M439, and I'm just going to go ahead and buff that in. We are moving. I'm so excited. I've been house shopping for a while now and I found a couple houses that I really like, and they're really pretty. They have like big islands and like a big kitchen, like just more updated and has more square footage and all that, and I'm just, oh, I'm so. One, we just want to upgrade. We just want to get a different house. Second, because, you know, one day we're going to want to grow our family and we're going to need more bedrooms and just more square footage. And we also have dogs. So with our dogs, we would like a bigger yard just in case we do get another dog too. We just want more room for them to play and run. And the main reason we're moving also is because we talked to our bank because our payments kept going up. Our house payments started like really low and then now they've gotten like pretty high, and they said it's because of like property taxes and like our value of our home is going up and stuff. We are in a very nice neighborhood. I can't tell you guys where I live, that's strange. Is that we just need to find a house that is like over $135,000 and it won't cause our payments to keep going up. So that's kind of like the main reason we're moving, is just so we can pay the like literally the same price for a better home, for like more square footage, bigger yard, you know, just more upgrades for literally paying the same amount that we would here in this house. So it just makes more sense. I do have a haul for you guys that I bought a few things for our new home, even though we haven't bought the one that we want yet. There's some stuff I wanted to get anyway for this house, so I might as well just get it. It's just like pantry organization and just getting like containers to put like your flour in and like canisters, and just upgrading some like utensils and just really like focusing on upgrading some of the smaller things in our home. Not that I really need them, but you know. Of course, there'll probably be videos on our new home and maybe like a empty house tour I might show like the stuff I got from shopping for the haul, and that's pretty much it. Other than that, for school wise, I am out of school right now. I'm on a break until like mid-January, and I'm so rude is like how much time I'm missing and like how much more time I have to do things now. It like makes me not want to go back to school, which I have no choice because your girl's broke and I need some money. I think I can get a lot more stuff done and do a lot more YouTube things, and I found that I was like having more time to work on like my new intro or like just uploading more. Very close to finishing 1 year of college, and I can say that it's been very rough. I've been like struggling sometimes and just struggling to figure out stuff to take to work and like making sure we have things ready for work, and just it's a lot of work, you know, but who said college was ever easy? You know, it's not easy. So I enjoy it though, and I just can't wait to be done. I still have like 3 years left, but I'm excited. I just need to finish these prerequisites, and then I'll have the nursing program, and then I'll be over. I'll be over from that. You know what I'm saying? I'm impatient. I'm very known to be impatient. I struggle to find the time to appreciate where I'm at, and I always want to be done. I just want to be done now. I want to not wait, and I would like it now. For those of you who are new to my channel and know, I am going to school. I'm going to school to be a nurse, and I currently work at the hospital, but I work just like registration, so I just put on like wristbands and verify insurance information and stuff like that. And I actually really like my job. My job is just super cool. There's a lot of experiences and stuff that will happen, and it's just exciting. And I think I might want to work in the nursing field, or not the nurse, in the emergency room when I become a nurse, because the emergency room is like just crazy all the time, and there's just stuff that I like. It's so exciting all the time, because you know you're gonna have different people in all the different things, and it just mixes things up a little bit, so you're not working like with the same thing 24/7 for like 24 hours. So I don't know, I really like the emergency room. I love my coworkers too. They're all fun. But I do plan on being a nurse, maybe working like 3 12-hour shifts and like, you know, being full-time. But I would love to stay doing my YouTube channel and makeup and just focus on beauty. And you know, if I could ever turn in my channel to like a full-time job, I probably wouldn't work as a nurse, or maybe just not work very often, make per diem, or like every just so often to keep up with like my license. But other than that, if I could do makeup and this for a living, oh my gosh, you best believe it would. I love makeup and I love filming, and you guys know that I truly do like doing this, because I wouldn't be doing it if I didn't enjoy it, because I don't make a lot of money off of it. So but that's pretty much all that I kind of want to talk about right now. I mean, I'm not very like exciting, I guess, just not a lot to talk about, I guess. My job and school, and we're moving, and I don't know, that's pretty much it. Besides holidays coming up, I'm ready for those to be over because I miss my money in my bank account. So far I've only done like my base makeup, like my face, foundation, concealer, powder, and I filled in my eyebrows. Have you guys ever tried to do your makeup while talking? I'm not gonna lie, like it's pretty hard, because then like you get focused into talking and then you're doing your makeup really slow. Like I talked to you guys like about everything I want to talk about, and I've only got like eyebrows and face on. Like that's it. I'm just going to go ahead and take this shade from the Jaclyn Hill palette. I'm taking this like really dark green, and I'm just going to smoke it on top of my eyes. So like I'm gonna stamp it kind of like eyeliner, but with eyeshadow. Just right at the bottom. So it kind of just gives this more smoked out look of that right below it. I'm not going to cover the whole thing of green, just like the very bottom where like my lashes are going to go. I'm putting this green, or this black, I mean. So I did go ahead and pop on a little bit of mascara, and then I'm going to go ahead and pop on some falsies. These are Salon Perfect Silk Noir. And it's in the style 652. So I went ahead and popped on those fake lashes. I'm going to go ahead and do the other eye, and then I'll be back. What I did so far is just finish the other eye. And then I did take the same colors, the darker, like the purples and the blue. I just smoked out my lower lash line. I am just going to add some black liner to my bottom lashes as well. And I think it just makes a pretty good difference. So to go ahead and finish off the eyes, I am going to take some mascara to the bottom lashes. The favorite one that I use for that is the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black, and it has this like gold lid to it. Actually like makes them look like 3 times longer than what they actually are. See how long they look now? So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some blush and work on the rest of the face if I can find the brush I'm looking for. The thing I did want to talk to you guys too about is YouTube. Like, just being on YouTube and being a YouTuber, how people put so much effort and work into their videos, and I feel like people do not get recognized enough. Like, you could put days into a video or hours or whatever and only get like a few views, or like less than 50 or less than 100, or for some people it's like less than 1,000, or like, you know, like some type of low number to someone. Because I see it all the time where people are just putting a lot of work into their videos, or their videos look really good, and it's like people just don't even recognize them at all. And it's just so discouraging when you just put so much effort into something and it's not like rewarding, or things aren't paying off. It like makes people not want to do it anymore, you know what I mean? So it's hard to be consistent on uploading or making videos when you feel like nobody's even caring or watching. Today I'm going to be using the Jeffree Star, and this is in Siberian Gold. I'm just taking a Morphe brush. It is the M501, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones. It's like the tip of my nose and stuff like that. Yes, please. And that was everything for today's makeup look. If you guys did enjoy the look, please do not forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!